Hello everyone. Today, we are going to see how to set up Taxi the Rider app. Firstly, you can download the source code from the Code Canyon from the link we mention in the description below. After downloading successfully, unzip the code file that we provide. In the zip, we provide for the Rider app, Driver app and Website app code. After unzipping the file, let's open Rider project in Android Studio and run command pub get updated version from top right side corner. It may take some time according to your system configuration. After running the command pub get successfully, in the left sidebar going into the lib folder and in that utils directory here one file that is constants.dart file. In this file you can change the app name, Google Map API key, domain URL, MQTT port name, one signal key for the driver and rider both. After changing this configuration, let's change the colors for this apps. So for that in the left sidebar go to utils and in this colors.dart file. So, here you can see some colors will be shown here. You can change the colors you want. If you need to change the app logo in the Flutter code, go to the image folder and change the image, which is ic_app_logo.jpg and ic_logo_white.png. If you need to change Firebase initialize options, go into the lib folder and in that utils directory, and in that firebase_option.dart file. You can find here that option in Firebase by generating the web app. After that, open Rider Android project here and open androidmanifest.xml file. In this file you can change the Android label name and value also. After this process, right-click on Residential folder and click on New, and in this click on the image asset. Here you can see one pop-up will be open. If you need a scaling a logo, change a background layer color, you can do it in the background layer tab here. After this process done, click on Next and click on the Finish. So you see how easy it is to set up Taxi the Rider/Driver app on your Android device.